Okay, you're going to want to put this on the pin, okay? And then you're going to take a piece of electric tape. And you're going to take it like this. And you're going to put it on there and tape it. Like this. So it stays on there. See? And you can cut the rest of the tape off. Like that. You see it? This is where I got the metal piece. It's welding wire. Okay, then you're going to tape the extra right there. You might want to cut off the pieces that are in the way. Right here. See? Okay. Then you're going to bend this a little bit, and then you're going to put the spring in. And like this, see? Okay, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to take this fishing line right here. Use fishing line because it's hard to see. So they won't be able to see it when they step on it. Okay, you're going to take this, just tie it in regular on that. That. And then when you're done tying it in a knot, you're going to cut off the rest at the end. Well, you're going to want to pull it real tight first, because it might slip there. You're going to cut the rest right there. Then you're going to want to just take a little plastic piece, maybe a pencil, like this. See? And then you're going to tie another knot on the end of this and tip. If you want to, you can tie a fishing knot on this one, but it's going to be a little harder. Oh yeah, and you're going to cut off the rest of the line. And see, you have all this. All you're going to want to do, see like a BB right here, you put it in here, put a bunch in there. I'm only going to put about 4 or 5, so I don't want to spray it all over my room. That's how you load it. When you're done putting the BBs in, you put this over it, see? So the BBs don't come out, and when they walk on it, this is going to pull the metal piece out of the way, and it's going to go like that and sling the BBs. That's how you make an airsoft claymore.